Congratulations on purchasing your new grill, and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin assembling your Nexgrill Fortress tabletop gas grill, reference your owner's manual to make sure all of your grill's parts are accounted for. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete the assembly. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly process, please call the customer service line on your screen. Let's do this. We'll begin by simply pressing your grill's control knobs into the front of the main firebox, like so. Next, find your grill's right and left cart legs. We'll attach those by aligning the holes located on each leg with the ones on either side of the main firebox. Secure each leg in place using 4 J-screws. Once both cart legs are secure, we'll mount the main lid handle to the front of your grill's lid. With the lid open, guide each end of the main lid handle through a main lid handle seat and over the holes on the front side of the lid. Then, from the inside of the lid, secure the handle in place using 1 K-screw and 1 L-washer at each side. Position your grill's grease cup heat shield in the bottom of the main firebox, securing it in place like so. And finally, insert your grease box into the front of the grill. Your Nexgrill Fortress tabletop gas grill is now assembled and ready to go. Now get out there and grill something different.